My video will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Prince. My video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just give you the certain recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents. All other data can be opened easily without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Prince ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. It actually changes the desktop background, and this background is titled as Prince ransomware. It appends this ran extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start carefully investigating your system. The software will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan, and then the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware and any other types of computer infections. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way, your data would always be under the protection. Also, Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.